I thrifted this wedding dress for $30 and want to transform it into something more magical for this upcoming holiday season. First, I'm going to change the color to something more festive. Stirring in this color intensifier to help make sure the color is more vibrant, I chose this beautiful red. Ooh. Let's dip in the dress and really soak her in. Dyeing can be a hit or miss, so I hope that the color comes out. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, the color is so pretty. Let's wash and dry her. Next, I'm repurposing the back of the dress to craft a bow. Let's cut off the top and bottom. I'm going to do a simple running stitch down the center. Then, with a bit of wrapping, and she's ready. To make big dramatic bows, here's a fun trick. Use your feet. Wrap the ribbon around twice and then knot it. Voila! Simple yet stunning. We're going to add these to the shoulders. Next, I'll add fur trim for a cozy touch. A little tip, a soldering pen works wonders for cutting and sealing the edges at the same time. So satisfying. Cute! For some holiday flair, I'm making ribbon poinsettias. Wrap the ribbon around a card multiple times and cut the edges. Next, I fold it in quarters and snip, using some candle magic to melt and seal it. After that, I fold the other end into itself and melt it too. Once all the petals are ready, I can put them together. The result? A flower that feels like pure holiday cheer. I love using an electric razor to quickly seam rip. I swear it does the job super fast. Since the dress is a bit snug, I'm replacing the zipper with a corset back. My soldering pen makes perfectly sized holes for the grommets. Let's lace her up for a custom fit. Perfect. To gather the skirt, I use a zigzag stitch over yarn. Eek! My fingers may have gotten dyed a little red. One of the casualties of working with dye, but it'll be worth it. Promise. Then I'm going to pull the yarn to create even gathers in seconds. Look at that. Let's add it all together. The transformation is complete, and I am in love with how it turned out. The detailings are so beautiful. Mrs. Claus, but with a unique twist. I can't wait to share this look with Santa. I think he likes it. Have a happy, jolly holiday, XOXO Blossom.